going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, J Car Review. We out here. Sunday's cold as hell. Car meet. There's no social distance out here. So many people, man. Oh my God. I'm staying safe. I got my mask on. I ain't trying to be stupid out here, man. But we got some cars out here today. Got a lot of cars out. First meet in a long time. Look at this. Oh my God. Nissan Pulsar GTR. So clean. Damn, right hand drive. Wow. Got their clips out. Got some nice car, man. Look at that. Always love the clips. What car they got? Oh, okay. This is my car right here. Oh my God.
I know.
God, this is my car, man. This is my car.
You said never send something to Junior. I'm not sending Junior so you can put it out here.
GT2 RS, man. Oh my God. Look inside of this car. Ooh. Oh, man. My dream car one day, man. Look at the Shelby. Look at the R. That's what I want, that R. R splitter. Shit. Oh, you can see the R8. You can see the R8. Got the Shelby Gt350R.
I was going to say, I know when this thing's cranking, I heard you get it.
All that money for this splitter. Same, so I need that splitter in my life. I need that splitter. It's crazy how you own a car and you keep looking at other people's. Nice and clean. Focus. Yeah, M2 look real nice, man. Got the BMW M2. M2 look real nice. Nice drop, man. Shit look real good.
I picked that over the M3.
Yeah. Real nice. Got spaces on there? Yeah, it got spaces. Ooh. Real nice, man. 7M. 7M. Old school 7M.
The last one was
Yeah, look at the Mustang community. Bayshore?
Yeah.
Truth. Performante? Oh my God.
somebody called John?
GTR look real big. A lot of nice cars. This side's like never been over this side.
This is the first side I came. When I first came, I came to this place right.
This is where you used to come. Yeah? Never came to this side before. Yeah, I see, man. Woo. You don't see those every day. And that's sex. I think I saw this car before. JBE Racing. Always wanted one of these cars, man. And that's sex. So high price right now. So nice. Yo, that's so crazy. When I first bought my Gt350, I raced that guy in a sex. It's crazy. Look at this, man. McLaren 570S. Oh, looks so sick, man. Mean. I can see our hair get packed quick. Wait, German?
Yeah, they
Sound like it, right? Wow.
Ale też wyglądasz trochę jak przymyk. Tak, przymytnik, nie?
Small world. I can't believe that I raced this car, man. Can't believe it. 2 years ago, and he remembered me. See, I wouldn't remember because it's black. If it was like say a white NSX. But the funny thing is, when I came out of my car, I was like, I remember this car, but I just couldn't remember from where. And this M3 looking sick. BC4, these shits I wanted. Oh man, and these rims are black. Toyo, everybody running Toyo, man. Gotta get them tires, yo. R888s, man. Toyos look so sick. I think I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and get those Toyo. I need these tires. I don't hook for shit. Yo, always love an M3, man. Damn, this car look good.
Look, I heard you all when you was coming around the bend. Supercharger.
You hear it, it's whining, man. That's all you hear.
Wasn't even on the gas.
Yeah, on idle. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it, man. Time to wrap up this video. Went out to my local car meet. It was nice, man. A lot of cars came out. No one was. I don't think a lot of people wasn't practicing social distance and wearing face masks. I made sure I had my stuff on, man, because I ain't taking no chances. I got kids at home. I got a family, so I ain't taking no chances. But it was nice overall, man. A lot of nice cars. Hope you guys enjoyed. You know, little car meet. That's it. You know. Hope you guys enjoyed the cars that you see on the video. All right, just remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and hit that like button, man. Please show me some support, show me some love. Hit that like button. All right. See you guys in the next video, man. Peace.